Hello everybody, this is Uday Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Hindustan Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Today's lecture we are going to discuss about decision-making statements in C. Let us see the objectives of this topic. So the objective one is to learn how to implement conditional logic that allows the programs to make decisions based on different inputs or conditions. The second objective is to learn to write more efficient code by evaluating conditions and taking the necessary actions. To enhance the program performance by executing the most optimal code paths. It also allows programmers to understand branching techniques which are essential for implementing complex algorithms like sorting and searching techniques. So after completing this topic, the outcomes are develop the ability to create solutions based on conditions and decisions that help you to solve real world problems efficiently, enables you to control how the program behaves under different conditions and enhancing the flexibility and dynamic flow of our code. Also learn to write more efficient and compact code by avoiding redundant operations, improving the performance of your programs. By using if-else statements and switch statements, you can implement error checks and handle unexpected situations. Let us see a short introduction about this topic. Okay. So it is also known as control statements and it controls the flow of execution. It also executes program until a specified condition is met, and it is one of the important parts in programming. Definition of decision-making statements. Decision-making statements are technology structures that enables programmers to make decisions based on specific conditions or particular criteria. Decision-making statements are if statement, switch statement, conditional operator statement, and goto statement. Okay. So first of all, if statement. So if statement is nothing but this is a simple expression. By evaluating those expression, if the condition is true, the statement block that can be executed. Okay, so the see here, if expression, if this here we are going to do the condition, and if the condition is met or satisfied, or the condition is true, the statement block inside this if uh, statement can be executed. Okay, so this is the simple if statement, and let us see an example for this if statement. So these are header files, main function, and we are going to declare variable n as an integer data type. Then you are going to get the value of the variable by using scanf statement, and you are going to give if condition. So here the decision making statement you are going to give. So in the body of the if, you are going to give a statement, and uh, uh, you are going to give the condition the if. So n is greater than or equal to 18. So if n is greater than or equal to 18, and you are going to input a value, the value which we are going to give is equal to 18 or greater than 18, then the condition is satisfied and the statement in the if will be executed. So here see the output. So I am going to enter 25, and if the 25 is greater than or equal to 18 and the condition is satisfied, and the statement which is present in the if body of the if will be executed. So you are getting the result as you are eligible to vote. Second one, if else statement. So here if the condition is met, the body of the if statement can be executed, or if the condition is not met, we are going to give an another condition which is in the form of else. Okay, so here this is the syntax: if text expression, if the expression is satisfied, then the true block of statements will be executed, or else the body of the else statement will be executed. So this is the if else statement. Let us see a simple example for if else statement. So this is the header files and this is the main function, and here age you are going to declare a variable called as age, and which is we are going to give in an input it a number, am I right? So this is integer data type. So we are going to get the age, get the value of the age by using scanf statement, and here the decision making statement arises. So here we are going to use the if else statement. If you are giving a condition age is greater than or equal to 18, if the condition is satisfied, then the body of the statement can be executed, or else body of the else statement will be executed. Okay, so see the output of this. So if I enter 13, the condition is not met in the if statement. So automatically the control flows to else statement and the body of the else statement will be printed and it is not eligible. Okay, this is the output. So if I enter 20, so the condition will be satisfied, which is greater than or equal to 18, and the body of the if statement will be executed. If else statement. So it is used to give series of decisions. So more else statements will be used here. So see the syntax of this. If condition, this is the statement one is the body of this if statement, and else again you are going to use if. Okay, this is the condition 2. If you want to use more than one condition, you can go for if statements. So if these two conditions are met, either of the conditions met, the statement body will be printed, or finally if it is not met, the final else statement body will be printed. Okay, so this is the syntax. Let us see a short program. So this is the example for else if else statement. So you are going to declare a main function. You are going to input a variable which is a number. Then you are going to get the number, and you are going to check make the decision which is either the number is positive or negative or 0. The number is positive, the condition is met. See here, if else, here you are giving condition if number greater than 0 means the number is positive, or else if number less than 0 the number is negative. Else the both conditions are not met or not satisfied, finally the block of the else statement, so if the number is 0 will be printed. So this is the output of the following code. Okay, next, nested if else statement. See, nested if else statement. So this is if else statement which is present inside another if else statement. So this is an inner if else, this is an outer if else. So this is called as nested if else. Okay, a new block of if else statement is defined in existing if else block statement. So this is the syntax for nested if else statement. Let us see an example for nested if else statement. So here this is the outer if else. So you are going to compare three integer numbers and you are going to find out which is the greatest number. So this is our program, and here you are going to input three variables A, B and C. So we are going to input numbers and you are comparing the numbers by using if else statements, but that is nested if else statement. So for see here, first this is the first if statement, outer if statement, and you are going to give a condition A greater than B. If A greater than B condition is satisfied, automatically it comes under inner loop if else. Okay, here if statement will be checked if A greater than C. If both the conditions are met, then print A is greatest. Okay, so A is greater than B, A is greater than C means A is the greatest. Else greatest, the so finally C will be greatest. Am I right? C is greatest. If B is great, or else conditions will be comes under here. If B is greater than C, so B is greatest. Else C is greatest. So okay, so this is if else which is comes under inner if else. So this is called as nested if else statement. Okay, so this is the output for given here. Okay, let us try a quiz related to this decision making statements. Okay, okay, you can join host live. Take kahoot.it in URL and just type check this quiz and just try to attend. Just read out the quiz 2. quiz 3, and quiz 4, quiz 5. Okay, I think you have attended all the quiz questions. You can check your scoreboard here. Okay, you have received your score of 3340, which is in the first place. Okay, guys, you can go to the topic. Okay, then we're going to see about the switch statement. So here this is a multi-way decision statement and tests the value of given variable against list of case values. When a match is found, the blockout statement associated with that case is executed, or else it goes to the next case. If it is none of the cases are executed, then finally it comes under the default value. So this is the syntax of switch statement. So see here, you are going to give a condition of variable here. So any of the cases here, case value 1, case value 2, case value n. You can give the number of cases. The case is satisfied, condition is satisfied, and that goes to the control goes to the particular case and break, or else if none of the conditions or case values are satisfied, it executes the default statement block. Okay, then it breaks. So see the example here. So we're going to select two choices, coffee or tea. If you give, this is the switch keyword, and this is the choice you are inputting a value. And if you input any of the choices, then the particular choice will be executed based on your input. So if one is entered, the case one will be you selected coffee. This is the input. So this is the output. Okay. So finally the go to statement. So this is rarely used statement, and it is one of the unconditional jump from go to. Okay. So see here, this is the syntax of go to statement. Go to label. Okay. Then again you are going to finalize with the label and statement. This is the forward jump, and if the go to label is present at last, then this is nothing but a backward jump. So this is an example for a go to statement. So you are going to enter a number and get the number, and you are going to give a condition with you are using if statement. So if number is less than 0, then go to error. So if the condition is met, then it will go to error. The body of the error will be printed. So if the condition is met, the body of the error will be printed. So here you entered 5. So number is greater than 0. So no problem. If you enter -3, so the condition is satisfied and it goes to error. The body of the error will be printed. So you entered a negative number, which is the body of the error statement. So let us see the applications of decision making statements. So decision making statements are used now are having number of applications. So ATM machines, traffic light control systems, inventory management systems for stock marketing, then banking and financial systems, e-commerce platforms, home automation systems, medical monitoring, game applications, security systems, weather monitoring systems. So a lot of applications are having for this decision making statements. Okay, so finally let us conclude this topic. So decision making statements provide ability to control the flow of program based on specific conditions. It enhances logical thinking, allowing you to break down complex problems. Mastery of decision making structures lead to efficient handling of real world scenarios and better error management. So I have given three exercises for you guys. Just you can take a note of it and try to solve these exercises, real world exercises. Okay. So okay, you can see the references and you can just refer by using these websites or textbook. If you have any queries or welcome to us. Thank you.